have you ever wondered what a share market is? So let me tell you what share market is. So I will give you a course about the share market where you will learn all the details about what a share market actually is. Share market is one of the best places to invest money because you get high returns. A bank pays you only 3% interest, but a share market pays you almost 10% and greater returns. So share market is one of the best places for investment. It can also be a source of passive income. You will learn what is passive income in the later videos, but let me first start with what a share market actually is. So to explain you, I will give you a short story to tell you what a share actually means. So imagine we start a business. You, me, and few friends want to start a business. I had got this business idea in my mind to start the business. So let's say I want to start a vegetable business. To start the vegetable business, I initially need few vegetables. From where will I get the vegetables? I have to buy the vegetables, for which I need money. This is called initial investment. Initially, I need some amount to buy the vegetables. So I have 1,000 rupees in my pocket. Assume I have 1,000. In that 1,000 rupees, I buy tomatoes, ladies fingers, and few vegetables and start selling it in my area. But the thing is, I can keep on doing this for many days. I can continue selling the vegetables daily, investing 1,000 rupees. But I cannot grow my business. I want to expand to different areas. I don't want to be limited to my area. I want to expand my business. How can I do this? I need more vegetables. For buying more vegetables, I need more money. But from where will I get this money? I can take it from my friends, I can take it from my family, and I can go to few other localities and sell vegetables and grow my business to a little broader region. But again, there comes the problem. I want to expand the business to the whole country, almost to the whole country, or to different states, or make it even international. From where will I get huge billions of money? It is a very difficult thing because to expand the business to larger areas, I need more money. I need a team of people working for me, which requires me to pay salary to them, which I need more amount of money. Now, from where will I get this money? I can either take loan or I can go to angel investors. There is something called as loan. For loan, I have to go to the bank, and the bank will pay me the money. But there is a problem in the loan. When I need to take a loan, I have to pledge my belonging to the bank. I have to give something to the bank. I have to give my property or some belonging to the bank. Bank will hold my belonging and give me the money. Later, when I pay the bank the money, bank will give me back the property. But the problem with business is, what if my business doesn't succeed? My vegetable business fails and I go into losses. So from where will I pay the bank the money and get my property? I will lose my belonging. So in this case, there are two other options. That is angel investor. The first option is angel investor. In case of angel investors are big people like Ratan Tata and other big investors who spend money for the business they like. If they like a business, they will give money and they will uh, involve in the business if they find the business interesting, and they will take their share. So they are called as angel investors. But if I want to expand the business even more bigger, I want to make it even more bigger, I need even more investment. For this, I can make the company public. I can give the shares to the public. Share is the ownership of the company. People will have a part of my company, they will get the profit, and they will give me initially the money. This is called as a share. Share means a part of my company, so that people are the owner of my company. A part of the ownership is held by the people who bought the shares, and I can use their money to grow my business. So this is called as share. So when people buy shares, they will get the profit of the company. When my company makes profit, I might give the profit to the people, or I can use the profit to increase the company size. I can use it for growth of the company. In this way, share value increases. So this document of ownership is called a share. Now, why invest in the share, and how will you get shares? From where will I buy share? Shares are sold in the share market. Just like buying tomatoes or vegetable or gold, you have a market for buying the object. To buy the share, you have the share. Where all this occurs, buyers meet the sellers meet the buyers, is called the share market. It is also called the stock market because the quantity of the shares is generally more. People generally don't buy one or two shares, they buy little, they buy shares of different companies, or they buy a lot of shares. So it is called stock. It is also called a stock market. Why does a country need stock market? Country needs a stock market because uh, there are different functions of the stock market. Let's see the functions. It acts as an economic barometer. What is economic barometer? How does the share market act as an economic barometer? As you know, share market is the rate of the company share, the price of the company share. If the price of the company shares goes high, it means the country's economy is good. The economy of the country is very good because the companies in the country are performing well, because the price of the share can tell the performance of the company, and this tells the growth of a country. So share market acts as an economic barometer. Next, share market is obviously a good investment for the people. People can invest in the companies. The companies can spread to a larger amount of people. That's why we need a share market. It is a good passive income source. To explain you what passive income is, let me tell you a small story. There are two people. First person, daily he works in a village. His work is daily he carries a pot of water. He carries an empty pot and goes to the river, fills the pot with water, and comes to the village and sells the water to the people. Now, he generally used to earn decent amount of money by working hard. Daily he used to go to the river, daily he will take water, give it to the people, and sell the water to the people and take money from them. But this is called active income, because active means he is working actively. He has to put his energy to the work, go to the water, take water, sell it to the people. His energy goes. He has to walk towards the river, carry the water and sell it to the people and get money. If this boy gets sick, he will not get money because he cannot work. But the second person, what he does, he also does the same work. But what he did, he went to the river and started digging a canal. Slowly started digging. People were telling, why are you wasting your time? This is stupidity. He didn't used to get any money for digging. He never earned money. Freely he used to dig. People were thinking what he is doing, spending all his time digging. People considered him useless fellow, waste fellow, because he didn't get any money for that. But one day he built a canal, digging. He built a canal. Initially he did hard work. He dug a canal and he didn't get any money for his hard work. He dug the canal up to the village and put pipeline. Then he started selling water. This is called passive income. Initially he worked very hard. Later he just switch on the tap. He connected pipeline and just switch on the tap and sell water to the people. How is this income called passive income? If this fellow falls sick, he can send his friend to the tap and tell his friend that you on the tap for me, I will give you 1 rupee or 2 rupee for owning the tap. So this way, even if he is sick, he will be earning his income. So this is called passive income. Stock market acts as a passive income source because even the people who invest in the stock market will get dividends. They will get profits of the company without working. So this way, stock market acts as a passive income source. This is another function of the stock market.